How to talk to your pet in Widgetable. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Widgetable. Once you do that, navigate to the Pets section. After that, select the pet that you want to chat with. Once you are on this page right here, click the Chat tab or option from the menu list, and here you will be able to have a conversation with your pet. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to talk to your pet in Widgetable. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.